Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to talk about different ways to deal with acne, some natural options. Now some of these treatments are extremely intense and not made for sensitive skin. I'll let you know when we come to these kind of treatment options. And then there are some treatment options which are extremely safe for all skin types. So what are these awesome hacks, tips, tricks, DIYs, home remedies, etc, etc? We'll just keep watching this video guys to find out. Now sandalwood is absolutely fantastic for spot treatment of acne, okay? Spot treatment especially. Now there are a few things I want to clarify here. Please watch this because it's very important. There are sandalwood powders available in the market. I've talked about them. Sandalwood powders are great, especially if you want to make DIYs and face packs. However, if you want to do spot correction. Now spot correction for acne using sandalwood is especially done, when you have pus-filled acne or if you have extremely oily skin which is reacting and getting acne problems. It works really well for those people, especially teenagers with acne. It works really well, okay? So for spot correction, you actually want to use a stone like this and just grind it to make your sandalwood paste. So I'm just grinding this with a little bit of water. That's all you have to use. Chances are you already have it at home. Otherwise you can get this from any puja shop and things like that. They're very easily available in India especially, okay? So after you have made your sandalwood paste, just take a little bit of this paste and apply it on the acne spots. And just leave this paste on for 3 to 4 hours. If you want, you can leave this on for the entire day, entire night. It's very safe, very gentle for all skin types. And this is what it does, okay? So sandalwood is extremely drying. When you apply sandalwood on these spots, it will actually dry out your acne. So a lot of people, when they break acne, when they pinch their acne to kind of just take out the pus, you don't have to do that. That's actually very bad for you, right? There's something which will just suck out all of that in a very clean, natural way, dry out your acne. Like for me personally, whenever I have used this as a teenager, it just takes away the acne in one day, okay? It works that well. If it does not take away an acne in one day also, it will take away your acne in just 2 or 3 days. It is very powerful for pus-filled acne. And if you haven't started using neem oil yet, guys, start using neem oil, please. I have talked about neem oil for like hundreds of times on my channel because it is amazing. Not just for acne, but also for acne spots, for acne scars, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, suntan, skin which is dry and not glowing. It has so many benefits. So the best way to use neem oil is to just take a little bit of neem oil on your palms and apply it like a normal face oil, okay? Just massage it onto your skin. However, neem oil does tend to have a very strong fragrance, so if you don't like that, neem oil is also very versatile. You can just mix a little bit with your DIYs, with your face masks, with anything that you're applying on your face and use it with that. But start using neem oil, especially if you have acne problems. Again, it's very safe, very gentle for all skin types, and it will give you brilliant results, not just for dealing with acne, guys, but for so many other things as well. Now this next treatment is not exactly an acne treatment in the sense it will not make your acne go away, but it will definitely provide you with a lot of relief and help your body in naturally fighting off acne, okay? So this is what you need to do. Just take an ice cube, wrap it up in a nice clean cloth and gently dab this on your acne spots, okay? Now obviously you will feel cold. This will also make your skin go numb for a few minutes, which is fine. It's just ice, your skin will recover. The thing is that when you start dabbing ice on your skin, the reason why it works on your acne is because, I'll tell you, it helps in fighting inflammation. We all use ice, right, after waxing or inflamed skin and things like that. It also helps in dealing with redness. It also helps in numbing your skin where there is acne problem. So it just helps in clearing all that up. Now you will not see an instant impact, but it will cause a lot of relief also from itchiness. It will help in preventing acne from spreading, and like I just said, it also helps your skin repair the acne problem, skin redness, things like that much better. Now guys, you all know about chemical exfoliators, right? Before I move to chemical exfoliators and what you can use, I'll just quickly tell you one thing. Chemical exfoliators tend to pull out a lot of dirt, a lot of grime from inside your skin pores. So if you've never used chemical exfoliators, when you're using it for the first time, it can just cause a lot of reaction because a lot of dirt and things are coming out of your skin, which can actually lead to more acne. Your skin will not be able to handle it if you've never used it before, right? So if you've never used chemical exfoliators before, the first 3-4 times when you use it, just just dilute it. So if you're using a face wash, just mix it with your normal face wash and then use it just for a few days and then start using it as it is. For toners, mix it with a bit of rose water or plain water before you use it, and then gradually start using it as it is. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you're using it for the first time, dilute and use it, and then gradually start using it normally. So what are the chemical exfoliators you can use? Well, you can start using a chemical exfoliating face wash, which is such a great thing to use. For example, this chemical exfoliating face wash, it contains glycolic acid. It's actually very nice, very good for your skin. If you want, you can also use chemical exfoliating toners, like for example this one is specifically designed for acne prone skin. It contains salicylic acid, which is so great. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you're using chemical exfoliators, make sure you keep your skin hydrated and well moisturized, especially if you have extremely dry skin, because chemical exfoliators tend to dry out the skin a little bit. And last but not the least, now this one is an extremely intensive treatment. This is not meant for those people who have sensitive skin. And even if you don't have sensitive skin, you will feel a tingling sensation, maybe a little bit of burning sensation, but trust me, it's very good for dealing with acne. Regardless, do a patch test, okay, because it's extremely intense. Now, cinnamon is something which you can use as it is. You can take a little bit of cinnamon powder and mix it with face wash and apply it like that. You can also mix cinnamon with your face mask, so with egg, apply it as a face mask. I would suggest that if you've never used cinnamon before, do a patch test and also use just a little bit the first time. If it works for you, if it does not cause any reaction, with the patch test and after the first use, then start using more cinnamon. The best way to use cinnamon is to use it a little extra, because it will cause a burning sensation, but it will make your acne go away like magic, okay? So one way to use it is as a powder. Another thing you can do is you can use a cinnamon essential oil. So if you want, you can mix a bit of cinnamon essential oil with your face wash. If you want, you can actually make a DIY. Let me quickly show you this quick DIY here. So for this DIY, we'll take some sandalwood powder. Like I mentioned in the beginning, right? Sandalwood powder is great for face packs, especially if you have acne. So for face pack, we are using a sandalwood powder. To this, we'll add just a little bit of cinnamon essential oil. We'll not add too much. And then mix everything with rose water if you have extremely dry skin naturally. Also mix a bit of neem oil or milk if you can, because sandalwood will dry out your skin, obviously, naturally does that. And mix all the ingredients, apply it all over your face, neck, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then just wash it off with cool water. And one more thing that you can do is, after using this face pack, you can just take a little bit of rose water to just kind of calm your skin down a little bit. Rose water is great for oil balancing, and again, it has amazing antibacterial properties, which again helps with your acne. So guys, those were the things, those were the DIYs, tips, tricks, home remedies, etc that I want to talk about today. And by the way guys, I've just shown you what I have, what ingredients I use, what I like to use. You can use any brand, anything that you want. Whatever you pick up, just please make sure that whatever you're using is natural, clean, organic, okay? You don't want to use anything which is mixed with too many chemicals. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. This video is getting like really long, but I hope you found this video useful. If you have any suggestions, anything to add, share them with me in the comment section below. I've already said that. So thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.